Put your stuff away, you guys. Put your stuff away.
So you were taking a picture.
I'm not taking a picture.
You were?
I'm not.
Not quite a picture.
Maybe you were looking at it. So that we get, we always look what we can buy from that store.
What store? What are you doing, Milo?
Oh, you're taking a picture of that? Yeah, I see it. Are you taking a picture of that?
Of what? Wait till you figure it out. Wait till you figure
It's a
it
video,
out.
isn't it?
I don't know. What am I taking a video of, though?
Us?
Doing what?
Peace. Anything?
When am I taking a video?
Oh. We got our new TV.
Happy birthday.
It's not our birthday now.
Well, it's Nick's birthday, and I told you I was getting you guys a present.